Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to book an event on calendar from Microsoft Office 365 on my computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Now let's go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to calendar. If it's not visible on screen, we can go to the left hand side navigation menu, left bottom corner, go to calendar, schedule and share meeting and event times and automatically get reminders. Let's just click on calendar. This might be the first time that you are accessing the calendar within Microsoft Office 365, and today, or as of today, the date today is the 19th of February 2022. You may be watching this in the near future. Let's schedule an event in the next 10 minutes. Click on the date. Let's just increase the size of the event to take that to full screen. We can now add a title. Let's say upload a video to social media. I can invite attendees. I can also change the date and the time. Let's leave the date as it is and leave the time as it is. We can choose all day. We can choose to have this repeated on a regular basis. Let's just leave never on. Remind me 15 minutes before. Okay. We can add a description or even attach documents. We can schedule assist. We have some response options. Show us free, working elsewhere, categorize. More options, send to OneNote, my templates, some add-ins. We have the calendar there. And so now what we can do is click on save. And this will now book the appointment, schedule the event for 9 o'clock. And by the time it gets to the time you have booked an appointment for, you will be notified, as I am notified on screen already, that I need to upload a video to social media. So let's dismiss, cancel, and so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.